Hey guys, this is Matt from Dynamic Mobile Audio. I just wanted to go over a quick recap of a install that I just finished up a little while ago, probably about a week ago, 2 weeks. It was in a 2015 Mazda CX-5, and from what I researched, there was a lot of confusion on what you need and don't need to do this install, and I just wanted to clarify it. So if we take a look, what we did for this customer is we installed a new head unit. We kept the Bose system, and we installed everything to be able to use the factory reverse camera, the factory Bose system, and then we also added a new subwoofer and amplifier. There we go. So what I'm going to show now is what you need to do that. The very first thing you're going to need is you can go and buy all the parts separately, but this is the first piece of the puzzle, and it kind of combines your dash kit, your wiring harness, and your antenna adapter all into one. So you're going to need the pack BKMAZK855X, and once again, this includes mostly everything you need for this installation. But the other thing that you're going to need, which is a huge help, is the Metra AX-MAZ CAM6V. This takes the 6-volt factory signal and it bumps it up to a 12-volt signal for the new aftermarket radio, and it's a direct plug-and-play kit. It includes everything you need. You can also use this to add an aftermarket camera to the factory's radio in the Mazda CX-5 if you don't already have one. So it holds two purposes. The last thing you'll need is your double DIN or single DIN head unit, and you're completed. If this video was helpful for you, give me a like, and we hope that this helps clear up anything. Look us up on Facebook as well as YouTube, and I hope you guys have a great night. Take care.